Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. Many of you are not attending, and even if I call, also many of you are not attending the phone also. Okay, so if you know the other your friends' number, please tell them. Okay, you may not have, I think, because you are in 11th. If you know anyone who is not attending the Zoom meeting and the video, please instruct them. Okay, thank you, students. Now in that fourth lesson we are ledger accounts. Here we are still having three more problems. Okay, with that we will complete this chapter. Okay, very easy chapter, but here only I have spent more time because of the Zoom class changes happened, no? That's why I think it is getting late for us to complete this chapter. By today I am planning to complete. Okay, so three more exercises available. Okay, well, the first one we have to prepare as usual journal entries and ledger accounts. The other two directly posting in the ledger accounts. Okay, so I may not write all these columns details. Okay, that date particulars and all. So, but you have to write from the beginning. We are learning. Okay, so first we will do the ninth problem. Okay, first number. Okay, that I have told you. First we should write the number. Okay, ledger accounts. Sorry, number 9. Now, journal entries. That is the question. Okay, you please read the question. Problem, you have your books with you. Okay, credit. Then debit side. Then a ledger. Then date. So, cash in hand. Okay, so date 17 November 1. Okay, cash account data. Then bank account data. It is understood. Okay, first date cash in hand, cash at bank means he has started business with the cash and bank. 2. Vasu's capital account. Okay, Vasu started business. If I write full stop, there is something short. You have to write fully. Okay, because I am telling you can write. Here 1 lakh, cash, bank 30,000. So totally capital 1 lakh 30,000. Second one, Vasu sold goods to Jodi for 25,000 against a check and deposited the same in the bank. So we are depositing the same in the bank. Check. So who is receiving? Receiver. Debit the receiver. Bank account data. Then what we are selling? Goods. So sales. Goods sold and check deposited. 25,000. Then third entry. Okay, date 4. Received commission. So commission received, that is an income that should be credited. What we are receiving? Cash. So cash account debtor to commission received account. Okay, received commission. How much? 5,000. When bank paid 15,000 directly for insurance premium of Vasu. Here insurance premium of Vasu. So it is what? The personal expense, isn't it? So that is paid by the bank. So who is paying? Bank. We have to credit. Actually this is drawings. We should not write insurance premium. This is not the premium of the business. This insurance premium of Vasu. So we have to debit drawings account. Debtor to bank. Okay. Insurance premium of Vasu paid. How much? 15,000. Okay, then 15. Cash deposited into bank. Bank account debtor to cash account. Okay, deposited cash 30,000. Okay, then last, cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Again, drawings. From where he is withdrawing? From the bank. So we should credit bank. Okay, withdrawn for personal use. How much? 45,000. This person is withdrawing more for his personal use, isn't it? Now we have to post it in the ledger accounts. Okay, so we have to use both the ranges. First account, cash account. Okay. Cash account. First opening, November 1, cash in hand. So we have to write cash account debtor to date. We have to write first, isn't it? 2017. 2017 November 1. Okay, to Vasu's capital account. Or we can balance brought down also, we can write, no problem. Okay, 1 lakh. Then second one we will see in the journal entry. Okay, where cash available. Cash, third entry. Okay, commission received. So again, commission received 4. 2, commission received 5,000. Then cash deposited into bank. So here credit side 15 by bank. Cash is credited, so credit side by bank 30,000. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Okay, that bank. Okay, we have to balance the account. Here you see more total you have to write first. Okay, one line, double line. The same amount we have to write here. 1,05,000. Then November 30 by balance carried on. 30,000, so 75,000. Otherwise you have to add and write 5, then 3 plus 7, 10. Okay. Then next date, December 1. December 1 to balance brought down 75,000. Okay, now next account, cash account, bank account. Bank account also to first entry to Vasu's capital account. Capital account, bank 30,000. Then check deposited, no? So there bank account debtor to sales account. So to sales account 25,000. Okay, then bank paid directly for insurance premium. So drawings account. So this credit side by drawings. Date 2017 November 8. By drawings account how much? 15,000. Then cash deposited back. Bank account data to cash. Date 15. 30,000. Then cash withdrawn from bank. Again drawings account. Date 20. By drawings account. Okay. 45,000. So more which side? Here 60, here more than 60. So debit side more. 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 8. 85,000. Draw double line. Here also write the same amount 85,000. Draw double line. Now last date by balance carry down. Okay, 0, 0 balance directly. Okay. Here 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. Balance 1, 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 85. Okay. Then we should write the balance. Okay. December 1, 2, balance brought down 25,000. Okay, now second account over. Next account, capital account. Vasu's capital account. Here we have to post on the credit side, isn't it? Capital is credited. So November 1 by what? Cash account. How much? 1 lakh. Then by bank account. Both date one only. Okay, 30,000. That's all, isn't it? So write the total. 1 lakh 30,000. Double line. Here also write the same amount. 1 lakh 30,000. Double line. Now closing date. 2017 November 30 to balance carry down. Okay, 1 lakh 30,000. Okay, so the next date December 1 by balance brought down 1 lakh 30,000. Okay, the next account. One entry only over, isn't it? So next one, bank account. Bank account, okay, we got written. Okay, then bank written. Now sales account. Okay, sales account. After one account, you can draw a line. Okay, sales account. It will be on the credit side, isn't it? November sales 2, isn't it? By bank account. Bank account, how much? 25,000. Any other sales? No. So write. Draw write the total 25,000. Here more. Here nothing. Write the same amount. Then here last date. Okay. 2017 November 31 to balance carry down. Okay, 25,000. Okay, then next date December 1 by balance brought down. Okay, 25,000. Okay, next account. After sales cash, fourth date, then commission received. Okay, so next account, commission received. Okay, commission received account. Here it is credited, so credit side. Four. By cash account 5,000. So commission only 5,000. So write the total. Then closing date 32. Balance carry down. Okay, 5,000. Right. Then this side December 1. By balance brought down 5,000. Okay, another account over. Then next account after commission received, drawings account. Okay, drawings account, debit side, isn't it? 2017 November 8. Drawings account data to bank account. Bank account. How much? 15,000. Then last one again. 2. Cash withdrawn from bank. So again bank is the gift. What? How much? 45,000. So that's all, isn't it? So add and write 60,000. The same here, 60,000. So last date. By balance carry down 60,000. Then debit side. Next date December 1. 2. Balance brought down 60,000. Okay, drawings over, cash, everything over, isn't it? Okay, now only one problem over. Now I will teach you the second one. Prepare Anand's account. Okay, number 10. Okay, question number 10. Anand's account. So that is Anand's account. That's all. Credit balance of Anand's account. So credit balance here we should write. Okay. Date 2017 July 1. By balance brought down. How much? 4,000. Okay. 4,000. Then amount paid to Anand. Anand account debtor to cash. So debit side. Okay, July 15 to cash account 2,000. Then goods purchased from Anand on credit. So what is the entry? Purchases account debtor to Anand. So Anand is credited. So credit side we have to post. Okay. Date 18 by purchases account 8,000. Then paid to Anand, discount allowed by him. When we pay Anand, Anand account debtor 2. So debit side, isn't it? So 20. Anand account debtor to cash. How much we are paying? 3,960. Then what is that 40? Discount allowed by him. So that is ours, discount received. 2. Discount received by him. He has allowed and we are receiving. Okay, discount received how much? 40. Now goods purchased from Anand. Again purchase account debtor to Anand by purchases 5,000. Now you find out. Okay, that's all we should post it. Now we should find out the balance. Here only more amount, isn't it? So add. Here we should write last July 31 to balance carry down. So leave line and draw. So the larger amount should be written. Here 17,000. Same amount you write here also 17,000. Now find out the difference. 0. Here 6 plus 4 10. Okay, 0. Balance 1 10. 0. Balance 1. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 11,000. Here then next date. After this total we have to write. After next date what? August 1. Okay, by balance brought down 11,000. That's all the problem. Okay. Then the last problem I think you can do. Okay, that I will give us homework for you. Okay, you have to do that. Then the next date I will teach you the next lesson. That also very simple, like ledger account. It is very easy. Okay, we can complete. That calculation also very easy. Not like this, like preparing ledger account. It is this time consuming process, isn't it? More time it will take. But that is very simple and easy to calculate. Okay, students, thank you very much.